Hey, mama.
Hey, y'all.
What we doing today?
I don't know. You tell me.
We out here checking on the chickens at the property. And this is, I think, the second time I've been out here since I made the repairs to the gate, to the fence. Everything still look good. All the little extra locks that I put on it, still there. Everything still look good. Smells a little bad out here, but it's okay. I just ran into a spider web, but I'm gonna wipe my face and keep going. The tarp is still holding down good. Tarp is still holding up. That's what I like to see. Even though it looked like we got bird activity on our tarp. Yeah. Okay, all the little side parts are still up. The parts that I fixed on the back of the fence still up. And as y'all can see, it's been multiple days since then, and the chickens are still in. So we made good repairs, y'all, because the chickens are still in. And look, their food is still pretty much full. The waters are still pretty much full. But it's only 3 chickens now. It's supposed to be way more than this in here, but y'all know what happened. Property's still good. Still nice and peaceful and quiet out here. The trees that I chopped down starting to die off. Still got a nice little open space right here though. Probably when we move the chickens, we're gonna move them to this next open space right here. That'll be pretty it. Other than that, this gonna be a pretty quick video, y'all, because everything looked pretty good. Don't seem to have had any predator attempts. I don't even see any attempts. They're trying to get in there. Chickens all doing good. They still got a lot of water. Still got a lot of feed. I don't see no reason to bother them. To be honest, how about you, mama?
Yeah, because you got to take all this stuff off and put it back in there.
I know, right? They good for right now. I don't even think we need to bother them, for real.
Yeah, because you got to take all these little...
Yeah, take all of the lock zip ties off.
Yeah, they got plenty of food.
They got plenty of food, plenty of water, y'all. I'm just letting the chickens roam, do their thing. Got that free range.
It's nice out here.
Yeah, it is nice out here. So how about you? Quick little video?
Yeah, because it's a lot of bugs.
Yeah, and y'all see mama ain't with the bugs. She ain't with the bugs. All right, y'all. I think this one be a quick one. On a nice Sunday afternoon.
Update video.
Nice little update video. Chickens doing chicken stuff. Eating and drinking.
Yeah, they all still just be over there together though.
Yep.
Maybe the next time we can get something for them to climb up on.
Yeah,
so they can have
something to
everybody keeps saying they like to be up high.
yeah. I'm gonna get them some
Give them something to do.
some climbing on stuff. Look, I wanted to put some tree logs in there so they could have something to stand on. That's probably what I'm gonna do instead of buying something, because we got stuff right there. Some of them trees I cut down, that's a nice little, all I gotta do is get rid of the branches and stuff and put the log in there. They can stand on that. But other than that, we'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Chickens doing chicken stuff. We out.